Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. In this video we're going to see how to crochet this beautiful and textured stitch, the even moss stitch. This stitch is simple and easy, but the texture is wonderful, and this is an ideal stitch for working blankets, washcloths or pot holders. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn ball and click on the bell icon as well, so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, please do not forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram to get more updates. To start with, I'm using a 6mm crochet hook and a 4-ply yarn, and we'll go ahead create a slip knot. And for the sample swatch, I'm working chain 22. So go ahead, crochet chain 22. So once you're done with chain 22, work one slip stitch on the second chain from the hook and one half double crochet on the next stitch. So we're going to alternate between slip stitch and half double crochet till the end. So I've worked one slip stitch on the next one, and I'm going to work one half double crochet on the next. So we'll be keep doing the same thing over and over again. So slip stitch and one half double crochet. So in the next stitch I'm going to work a slip stitch, and in the next I'll be working a half double crochet, and in the end, in the last stitch, I will be working a slip stitch. So that's why we always start with an even number of chains and then work from second chain from the hook, so that our starting and ending stitches will be slip stitch. So go ahead till the end, working slip stitch in one stitch and half double crochet in the next stitch, and in the last stitch we work one slip stitch. So I have worked a slip stitch in my last stitch, and I'm going to work a chain 1 and then turn, and then once again we are going to start with a slip stitch in my second row and then half double crochet on the next stitch. If you see, we are going to work slip stitch on top of slip stitch and half double crochet on top of a half double crochet stitch till the end, and we begin with a slip stitch and we are going to end with a slip stitch. That means our last stitch is also going to be a slip stitch. So keep working slip stitch on top of slip stitch and then half double crochet on top of half double crochet. So that means if the previous row slip stitch, we are going to work a slip stitch on top of it, and then on the previous rows half double crochet we are going to work one half double crochet on top of it. So we are going to work till the end, and then in the last stitch we will be working a slip stitch and then chain 1 and turn our work. So from row 3 to your desired number of row, we are going to pretty much do the same thing over and over again. So we start and end with a slip stitch, and we work slip stitch in one stitch and half double crochet on next stitch. We work slip stitch on top of previous rows slip stitch and half double crochet on top of previous rows half double crochet till the end, and in the last stitch we work slip stitch, chain 1 and then turn our work, go ahead with your next row. Keep working like this until your project demand or desired length of your project. So I worked around 13 rows for this sample swatch, and look how beautiful the stitch has turned out. The texture is wonderful, and this is a very good stitch for working your pot holders, washcloths or blankets. So if you're not a fan of a loose stitch and you prefer your blankets to have less holes in it, this stitch is very good and works up quickly too. Try this at home and let me know your comments. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.